The last，好不好？所以和 Amelia 是不是上个星期的作业做的不太好，对不对？I'm just going to first accumulate this one first. So let's take a look at this one. Number 4, I think I have explained this one before, okay? So I'm going to do a little bit this one as well. So Amelia, let's take a look at this one. So we have 11111 times 99999. If you take a look at something like that, you're going to know it is what? It is 1 million, sorry, 100 million minus 1, right? Okay, so it's still 111, 1 times that. Correct? Okay, so I'm going to just calculate out it's equals to 1. How many zeros? 8 zeros. So just to put 8 zeros, how many ones? 8 ones and 8 zeros. Yeah, so 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And minus 8 ones. Get it? Okay, so every time we minus it, we just to put 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 here and minus it. So you know it's 9, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Get it? Okay, so let's take a look at next one. Amelia and Zoe, are you still with me? Okay, so next one, I think number 5 should be no problem, right? Because this part and this part is the same, right? We just add these two. It's the same as 4 times 6 plus 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is the same. So it's 4 times 6 plus 4. 对不对? This one we learned a long time ago, right? This part. Okay, so we compute this one. That's the same thing. So we can use 3 times 8. So we know that this one can be written as 6666 times 444. Right? The same thing. Right? But 6 and is gone. So the answer is 4 and a lot of fours. Right? Clear? This one should be, Amelia, are you still with me? Okay, so let's take a look at this question, okay? This question is the one I think a lot of my students have problem with. So I'm going to spend a little bit more time on this. So 2007, 2008, 2008, 2007. Amelia, these are two different numbers. Do you understand? They're totally different numbers, okay? But, and also like 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers. There's nothing in common. Nothing is the same. But I just want to ask you, so this one is 1 minus 1 is this one. This one plus 1 is this one. Do you get it? Okay, so I try to make them the same. So it's equals 2007, 2007 plus 1 times 2008, 2008 minus 1. Did you get this one? minus 2007, 2007 times 2008, 2008. Are you still with me, everybody? Okay, so now I'm going to tell them out. It's the same as A times B times C, sorry, A plus B times C plus D, right? So it's AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Correct? So it's 2007, 2007 times 2008, 2008 minus 2007, 2007 plus 2008, 2008 minus 1. Correct? Okay, so if you take a look at this one, this part is the same as this one. So we have the question is 2008, 2008 minus 2007, 2007 and minus 1. So 2008 minus 2007 equals what? So you can just put it here. Equals 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Minus 1. So the answer is 10,000. Amelia and Zoe, this question is a little bit hard because you need to change them, right? So let's take look number 8. Number 8 is the same thing. So we'll have 99999 times 99999 plus 199999, right? So we have what? We can, because this one and this one, they don't have any 1 inside, right? If I take this one out, they will have a common part. So I can just put 1, a lot of 0 out, plus 99999. Correct? Amelia, do you understand this part? I changed this one into this. It's like 199 equals 100 plus 99. 1,999 equals 1,000 plus 999. Get it? So I just take this 2008 zeros out. And here still 999 times 999, 999. Get it? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So what does this mean? Let me ask you. So 3 times 4 equals what? Equals 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? And 2 times 3 equals 2 times 2 times, sorry, 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? So the multiplication means how many of the same thing plus together, right? So how many of the same thing? We have 9,000. So 999, a lot of 9s, 999 plus together. So this is 1,999. This is 2,008,999. So I can put them together equals what? Equals 999, 999 plus 1 times 999, 999, 2,089 plus 1,000, not 1,000, 1 and 2,008 zeros. Okay, so Amelia, you tell me what's them plus together. So 99 plus 1 equals 100. 999 plus 1 equals 1,000. So 9999 plus 1 equals what? Equals 1. And how many zeros? 2,008 zeros. Times 999, 999. Plus 1. Okay, 好了，看到没有？ There's one common thing appear again. Correct? So equals 1,001, how many zeros? 2,008 zeros times 999 plus 1 again. So it's 1, 2,008 zeros times 1, 2,008 zeros. So the answer is 1. How many zeros this time? 4,016 zeros. Chloe and Amelia, do you have any questions?
Not anymore.
Okay, so you understand this one, right? Okay, so let's take a look at the number 9, okay? The sum of the digit of two-digit number is multiplied by 8. The result is a more than the number, okay? So let's take a look at this one. We have a two-digit number, right? So we can say it's AB, ADB, right? For instance, 82. So they equals what? A plus 2 equals 10. That is the sum of the digit of two-digit number. Understand, Amelia? Okay, so if I reply this number, so it's A plus B times 8, right? Multiplied by 8. The result is 8 more than the number. So a lot of students say it's equals AB plus 8. It's not right. It's A times 10 plus B plus 8. Understand? Why? Because the 8 more than the number is AB, but A stands on the 10th place, correct, Amelia? So the A, for instance, if it is 2, it's not 2, it's 20. If it's 3, it's not 30. It's not 3, it's 30. Understand? Okay, so we have 8 plus 8B equals 10A plus B plus 8. I'm putting together. So 2A plus 7B equals 8. Oh, sorry. 7B minus 2A equals 8. Correct? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So how do we do it? If B equals 1, is it possible? No. If B equals 1, A gonna equals to negative half, which is impossible. They are whole numbers, right? So let's see. If B equals 2. So 2 times 7 equals what, Amelia?
2 times 7?
7 times B equals what?
7 times B equals 7B.
Amelia 一点都没听啊。B equals 2. B equals 2. 那 7 times B equals what?
14.
Yeah, 那为什么前面
14.
B 不能等于1啊？ Why B cannot equals 1? You're not listening. You're pretending you're listening. I don't like that, okay?
1 because A
B
will
equals 1,
equal
right?
negative 1.
So 7 times B equals 7. 7 minus 2A equals 8. So 2A equals negative 1. So A equals half. Sorry, negative half. Understand? So that's why B cannot equals 1. So B equals 2. So 7B equals what?
14.
Yes, 14. So 14 minus 2A equals 8. So A equals what?
3.
Amelia, I'm asking you. 14 minus 2A equals 8. How do we do it?
14 minus 8 equals 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3.
Very good. So A equals 3. So we have this number is 32, but maybe we have another one. Let's see. If B equals 3, is it possible A have a number? So B equals 3 equals what? 21 minus 2A equals 8. So negative 2A equals 13. Is it possible? Negative 13, sorry. Is it possible? No, A equals 6.5. A is a whole number, so that's impossible. Get it? So let's see if B equals 4. If B equals 4, 7 times B equals 28. 28 minus 2A equals 8. Negative 2A equals negative 20. This time A is a whole number, is 10. But A is a digit. Digit cannot be 2 digits. Understand? So it's impossible equals 104 because it's a 2-digit number. So that's why the only answer will be 32. Are you clear? Okay, James aged in 2008 was the sum of all the digits of his year of birth. How old is James in 2008? OK，这道题目怎么做？ Okay, so let's just suppose James was born in the year of 1ABC. 哦，Zoe 说，老师为什么不是 ABCD 呢？啊，你说这个 James 有没有可能生在什么 A 肯定是等于1嘛？
9.
对呀，肯定是什么19什么，因为只有你们是2000几年的，对吧？你们小朋友，不然大部分人，像这个世界上现在生活的人，是不是都是什么什么几几年出生的，对吧？19几几年出生的，对不对？啊，18几几年已经死掉了，对吧？2000几年在那个时候还没出生的，对不对？所以肯定是19几几年的，对吧？I guess. So James' age is in 2008 was the sum of all the digits of his year of birth. That means 1 plus A plus B plus C equals what? Equals 2008 minus 1ABC. 好，这个地方，Amelia，你要看到了，是减1ABC 还是减1000减100B 100A 加10B 加 C 啊？Which one is right?
Oh, I did a different one.
This one, right? This one, because 1ABC is not represent any numbers, actually represent 1000 plus 100A plus 10B plus C.
Mm. 老师做了一个不一样的方法呀。
好，那我们现在先看一下这个会了吗？这个会了吗，Amelia？那是不是就变成 1 plus A plus B plus C equals 1008? minus 100a minus 10b minus c，对不对？那你放到一起来，是不是就等于 11b plus 2c equals 1007 minus 100a，对不对？哦，101，sorry。Oh, sorry. 101a plus here equals to 1007。好了，Amelia，那个 a 是不是只能等于9啊？对不对？老师说了，18几几年的人是不是已经都死掉了？对不对？你看18几几年到2008年是不是都死了？那我们试试看9，那909加上11b加上2c是不是等于1007？所以11b加上2c等于多少？98。Okay, so let's do the same thing. So if b equals 9, which is impossible, right? If b equals 9, 11b will be 99. It's already over. So b equals 8. So c equals 5, right? So let's see if b equals 7. 77 equals 21, which is impossible. So c equals 11.5, which is not right. So that's it. So James is born at 1985. Got it? Okay, so Zoe, what is your way?
I did it that James was born in 2003 and he was 5 in 2008.
James is what? 5 years
零
old?
3年出生，然后28年去世。Yeah，
Okay. 也可以。对，也可以，
对，我
这俩
看出我那个看我就想出来。
你是猜的，对吧？也对，也对，也对，也可以。Okay, understand? Okay, so we just review the last week's homework. Okay, so we're going to learn the fraction today, okay? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Going to share the screen with you. So before we start this one, I want you to try to do this question yourself because it's just fractions, okay? So I just want to tell all of you. So when you see 1 over a number, we go from the bottom line, okay? We go from the bottom line, the smaller one. So, and when you have 1 over something, Amelia, so if you have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 5, so it's equals what? 1 over 16 over 5 equals 5 over 16. When you have 1 over a fraction, you just flip the fraction, the denominator and numerator. Understand? 做好了吗？做好了，告诉老师。没有，哪页？
Okay, I just finished. I'll send it to you.
嗯
是不是做好了？
我也有。
Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So both of you get it right. Okay, so I'm going to show you the answer. Did you get the same answer? 哎呀，Amelia 错了，Amelia 错了
Yes.
，Zoe 对了，对吗？OK，Zoe 对了。OK，我们看一下 Amelia 什么地方错了啊？OK，做错没关系的，但是什么地方错了要看清楚。So the step by step is a very important thing. So let's take a look at this one. This one equals 16 over 5, right? And this one equals 1 over 16 over 5 equals 5 over 16, right? And now 2 plus that equals what? Equals 37 over 16. Okay, so 1 over that equals 16 over 37. And now I plus another 1, so it's 1 plus 37 equals 53 over 37, right? And 1 over this guy equals 37 over 53. Get it, Amelia? So there's no hurry. You don't have to be super quick, but you have to be right. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. I think we have learned this one before, right? And now I want you to think about this one, and I'm going to block the answer, and you try to solve yourself. 做好了告诉我啊。
哇，是我忘了怎么做了。
忘了怎么做了，对啊，你看，
我也是。
你也忘记了呀？嗯， OK，好，
我不知道怎么做。
你不知道怎么做了。OK, so let's take a look at this one. So first, I want you to write down 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12. Let's just do these three questions first. Then we apply all 99 times 100. Is that okay? Okay, so Zoe, I want to ask you, 1 over 2 equals what? 1 over 6 equals what? 1 over 12 equals what? Is it equals to 1 minus 1 over 2? Okay, so Zoe,
Yes.
sorry, Amelia, 1 over 6 equals what?
1 minus 1 over 6.
啊 1 over 6 equals 1 minus 1 over 6啊？你到底数学会不会算的？ 1 over 6 equals what, Amelia? Is it equals 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3? Okay, now 1 over 12, Amelia, equals what?
1 over
1 over 3
Oh,
minus 1 over
I
4.
remember
Now we can just do negative 1/2. This one is gone. So the answer is 1 minus 1 over 4 equals 3 over 4. Correct? Okay, so now
I
I
remember
know
now.
how to do it, right? This one should be very easy, right? So this one equals what? Equals 1 over 99 minus 1 over 100. Correct? Okay, so all of them are gone. So the answer is 1 minus 1 over 100 equals 99 over 100. Clear? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Number 3. Okay, number 3.
Is it the same way that we did that last one?
You need to think about it, okay? Okay, make sure, Zoe and Amelia, you calculate the every single number, like really equals the before one. For instance, I have 1 over 1 times 2, right? Equals 1 over half. So it is really equals 1 over 2, right? 1 minus 1 over 2. And 1 over 2 times 3 equals 1 over 6. It is really equals to half minus third, because if you do that, it's 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6 equals 1 over 6. So you cannot change the value of each of the term, right? Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit one. So Amelia and Zoe. So let's just take this one example, okay? So 1 over 1 times 4 equals what? Equals 1 over 4, right? So based on the before one, I know it's 1 minus half. So is it equals to 1 minus 1 over 4? No. Because 1 over 4, this one 1 minus 1 over 4 equals 3 over 4. But this is 1 over 4. So I need to what? Divided by 3. Or you can say times 1 over 3. That's the same thing, right? So let's take a look at this one. 1 over 4 times 7. That's the same thing, equals 1 over 28. So I want you to calculate, is it equals to 1 over 4 minus 1 over 7? So 1 minus 4 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 7 equals 3 over 28, right? So again, I need to times 1 over 3 or divided by 3, right? Okay, so if you take like all of them, you're going to find out is actually equals what? 1 over 7 minus 1 over 10 divided by 3. So how do we do it? We still do everything the same. 1 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 minus 1 over 10. And the last one will be plus 1 over 97 minus 1 over 10. 1 over 100, sorry. But on the bottom, every single term I divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. So I have to divide it by 3 to the last one. Get it, Amelia? Okay, so we can have 1 minus 100, but you need to divide it by 3. So the answer is 33 over 100. Okay, so I want you to think about it. What is the differences between the earlier question and this question? This question is is 1 over 1 times 2. The second question is 1 over 1 times 4. So you see the differences become what? 3. And before the differences is what? 1. Okay, if the difference is 1, you divide it by 1. That means you don't have to do anything. But if the difference is 3, you need to divide it by 3. So now I want you to take a look at this question. I'm going to make one question for you, and you probably going to tell me the answer very quickly. So if I give you the question like that, okay, so this question equals what? Okay, so this one should be what? Should be 1 minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 9, right? So, but because the difference is 4, sorry, this one should be 3. So we have divided by 4 for the last one. Correct? Understand, Zoe? Amelia, I cannot hear you. Seriously, I don't see anything at all. Okay, so now let's take.
Yeah, I understand.
You're good. Okay, you're good. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay.
I don't really get how to do it.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We learned this one before, actually. So let's take a look at this one. So 1 minus 1 over 6 equals what? So this one is equals to 1 minus 1. Sorry, this one equals 1 over 6 minus 1. Is it? Okay, so how about this one? Is it 1 plus 3, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4? How about this one? Yeah, we need to just, I show you how to do it, like here. So you can see all of them, they're actually having the relationship between each other. One over 5 over 6 is equals 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. 7 over 12 is equals 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. Right? So I want you to have the ability to write all of them in this way. And all of them are gone. So only the first term and the last term exist. Amelia, you don't understand? I'm going to, 1 second. Okay, so first of all of you need to build up a system. Like if you see a fraction, this fraction can be written as a sum of the, how to say that? Like two numbers plus together, two fractions plus together, or two fractions minus each other. Understand, Amelia and Zoe? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So all of them is actually, you just use 1 minus, is equals 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Right? Is it equals to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4? Right? Minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5. And this one is plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6. Minus 1 over 6 minus plus 1 over 7. Plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 8. Minus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 9. And plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 10. So did you, all of you, write down these ones?诶，写下来了吗？
Yeah, I finished writing.
嗯哼，
写完了。
写完了 ，OK. So now you can do that. So 1 minus half minus third plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 minus plus 1 over 8 minus 1 over 8 minus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 10. Okay, so you're going to see these are gone, 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 gone. So the answer is 1 minus half plus 1 over 10, so equals 4. Sorry, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 10 equals 6 over 10 equals 3 over 5. Get it? So there's no shortcut. You need to list all of them one by one. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this question will be the similar or same as the one we did last week about if you find something in common, you do it, okay? Okay, so I'm going to help you, okay? So Zoe and Amelia, did you find out something in common? Did you find out something in common right now? I see
They
this
all-
part is the same, right? This
Yeah.
part is the same, this part is the same, and this part is the same, correct? Okay, so if I have named this one as A, is it equals 1 plus A times A plus 1 over 61 minus 1 plus A plus 1 over 61 times A. I'm going to stop here. Okay, so now I'm going to do this. So A plus 1 over 61 plus A squared plus A times 1 over 61. Did you get it, everybody? Okay, minus A plus A squared plus 1 over 61 A times. Correct? Did you have it that? So each one of them times out, okay? So now I have a plus 1 over 61 plus a squared plus a over 61 minus a squared minus a over 61. Did you see that? All of them are gone, which only left 1 over 61. Get it, Zoe? Get it, Amelia? Okay. 1 second. Okay, so we have this one here. So let's take a look at this one. So let's take a look at the practice, okay? So evaluation, so Amelia and Zoe, I think this question last time Zoe get it right, Amelia, you get it wrong. So I would like to see if both of you can get it right this time. Okay, so your turn. So this one is 21 over 5. This one will be 5 over 21. And this one will be 3 and 5 over 21 equals 63 plus 5 over 21 equals 68 over 21. And 1 over that equals 21 over 68. And 2 here, so equals 136 plus 21 over 68 equals 157 over 68. And the whole thing equals 68 over 157. Clear? Okay, so let's take a look at next one. Okay, so this time we have the numerator on the top and the denominator on the bottom. So you need to calculate this one A and calculate this B, and you calculate A over B equals what? Okay, your turn. Okay, so I have received Zoe's. Amelia is still working. This one should be fine, okay? So 1 over 3, 1 plus 1 over 3 equals 4 over 3, and you flip it, equal 3 over 4. And you plus 1 equals what? 1 and 3 over 4. So B equals what? 7 over 4. Let's take a look at A. So 2 minus 1 over 4 equals 1, and 3 over 4 equals 7 over 4. And 1 over it equals 4 over 7. So 1 plus 4 over 7 equals 11 over 7. So A equals 11 over 7. So A over B equals what? 11 over 7 over 7 over 4. So the answer is 11 over 7 times 4 over 7. So equals 44 over 49. Okay, I know a lot of students said, 哇，为什么不是11 over 7乘以7 over 7呢？不对呀，对不对？他这是故意的，看起来可以被约掉，其实不能约掉。Understand? Okay, so Zoe and Amelia, they're very simple. So let's take a look at number 3.哎，所以做完了，所以这次做得快。Amelia 加油哦！你看 Amelia 的脸，Amelia 说：“Are you kidding me？你已经做完了。”做完了吗？Okay, so Zoe, let's see if you get it right this time, okay? So 15 over 7, and you flip it, it's 7 over 15, right? So 3 minus it equals 2 and 8 over 15. And it equals 38 over 15, but you flip it, it equals 15 over 38. And 4 plus it equals 152 plus 15 over 38. So equals 167 over 38. So the answer is 38 over 167. Get it, everybody? Okay, this is actually nothing very hard at all. It's just calculation. Okay. So now let's take a look at this one. This question, remember, list all the every single term. Okay, list all the every single term. Remember, we did it the earlier question. Let's take a look at this one, okay? We have 4 over 3 equals what? 1 plus 1 over 3, right? Minus what? 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 minus, sorry, 1 over 7 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 9. Did you list all of them, Zoe?
I was in the middle of listing all of them when you just explained everything.
I almost finished listing and then you started
Okay.
explaining.
Then after you listed them, you have minus and minus and plus and minus and minus. Right? So the last one is 1 plus 1 over 9 equals 10 over 9, correct? Okay, next one.
老师，你在吃什么？
艾米莉亚，你是小馋猫吗？我在吃酸奶碗，还有我
OK，
在吃栗子，还有我有松子，还有瓜子，还有南瓜子，还有花生。你想吃什么呀？你看你那个嘴巴咧的呀，真的是，你今天题目都没做对，还想吃东西，别吃了。Okay, Zoe and Amelia, look at this one, okay? This one just a 1 minus this. If you take a look at this one, is it 1 minus half plus 1 minus 1 over 6 plus 1 minus 1 over 12 plus 1 minus 1 over 19? No, sorry, 20. Plus all the way to 1 minus 1 over 90. 看到没有？No. So all the ones could be putting together, right? So how many ones are there? 9 ones. Minus half plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 20 plus 1 over 90. 这个我们会做的呀。This one we learned it early. It's 1 minus half plus half minus third plus third minus fourth plus all the way to 1 and 9 minus 1 over 10, 对不对？所以是什么？ 1 minus 1 over 10 equals 9 minus 9 over 10 equals 8 and 1 over 10. 自己好吃。Understand? 要自己重新做一遍的，不要看我做就做完了啊。So last question. You see the differences is 4. Okay? I want to see your answer in 2 minutes. 会做的。Amelia，你为什么舌头一直在外面？
因为我很想吃。
我等下跟你妈妈说，叫她给你买一点，好吧？好好。那个钱我打给你妈妈，让她给你买啊，好吧？你现在给我好好做题，不要一天到晚想吃东西。嗯嗯。有人做完了，你看看啊。艾米莉亚做完了。我看到这个答案有点慌啊，艾米莉。我觉得你对了一半。老师说过，difference is 4是答案是怎么样？要除以什么东西？1
除以
minus
4，
除以4，对啊。那什么东西除以4啊？
like
对啊，
the
那
whole thing。
对吧？是不是这样？除以4。好了，中间是不是都没有啦？那1 minus 1 over 101 divided by 4, right? So 100 over 101 divided by 4 equals what? 100除以4等于多少？100除以4等于44。对呀，很多很笨的小朋友都知道。
100除以了4等于了25。
这样那你给我答案是什么呢？25 over 101. Very good, Zoe. You get it right. Good job. Okay. So that's it for today's class. I'm going to send you the homework and also the video of the tape. 下一节课我会尽量给大家上课，因为 I don't know exactly where I am over there when it is next week is February 4th. February 4th.
Our class is supposed to be 1 hour 30 minutes, right? It's 1 minute 20.
divided by 4，对啊。我下个星期有可能会不上课，但是我会尽量上课，我会把电脑带着，好吗？Okay. So are you going to say Happy New Year to me? 快点
Happy
，Zoe，
New
你在干嘛
Year.
？Zoe，你没有把
老师，
嗯，你说什么
老师过年好，老师过年好，Happy Chinese。
？Okay, bye, Emilian. Bye,
Happy
Zoe.
Chinese
Bye.
New Year.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.